in its 3D view, Wrapstyler provides you with several buttons allowing you to quickly change the point of view along the three axes X, Y, and Z. In the front view, by convention, the X-axis points to the right, the Y-axis points upward, and the Z-axis points towards the user. However, some specific 3D softwares do not use this convention and choose to orient differently the X, Y, and Z axis. That's why Wrapstyler allows you to select how the coordinate system will be oriented in the front view. In the global preferences, you can choose the option you like and set it as default for all Wrapstyler projects. If you prefer, you can also keep the possibility to change the orientation in each project. In that case, select the option Front View defined in the project preferences. The drop-down menu on the right will be disabled, and you will find it in the Project Preferences, which will allow you to define the orientation individually for each file. This last choice can be interesting if your projects are not all oriented the same way, and if you don't want to rotate your objects.